Welcome back. Well, the new year brings some changes to the mortgage world, and some of them could make a difference in your buying or refinancing in 2022. Kayla of Western State Bank is here to help us understand the changes and what they mean for you. Welcome back, Kayla.
Thank you.
All right, so tell us, one of the biggest mortgage changes has to do with conforming loans. Before we get into those limited updates or those updated limits, what exactly is a conforming loan?
A conforming loan is a mortgage that meets the dollar limits set by the Federal Housing Finance Agency. They typically review those loan limits annually.
Okay, and so I understand those conforming loan limits have increased quite a bit for 2022. What are the new limits compared to 2021?
Yes, the new conforming loan limit is $647,200, which is $98,950 higher than the previous limit in 2021. That is the largest increase we have seen in several years.
That is a lot of money. All right, so if you're looking for a home in 2022, how could those increased limits benefit you?
The main benefit of increased conforming loan limits is that they typically offer lower interest rates than those found in non-conforming loans. So that means a borrower will have a lower monthly payment and will pay less interest over the life of the loan. It also means that people can borrow more money without having to meet the strict requirements found in non-conforming loans.
All right, and lots of mortgage programs are out there to make a home purchase more affordable or attainable. Can you tell us about some of those options?
Yes, North Dakota and Minnesota Federal Housing Finance Agencies have down payment and closing cost assistance available for first-time and non-first-time home buyers who meet their program requirements. There is also a grant available to lower income households up to $7,500, which can be used in conjunction with the assistance from state programs. We also have access to down payment and closing cost assistance for essential employees up to $10,000 repaid over several years at a low interest rate. And of course, at Western State Bank, our hometown heroes will get $500 off their closing costs. This includes people who work in professions such as medical, military, education, emergency services, fire, law enforcement. All of these programs have different exclusions and conditions, so check with your loan officer for details.
All right, well, whether it's an updated loan limit or the latest program, it's really important to check in with your loan officer for guidance. Is that correct?
Yes. The mortgage industry is constantly evolving. Different loans, loan programs, loan types frequently update their requirements. It's important to stay in contact with your loan officer to make sure to check in and see if certain changes will affect you.
Perfect. All right, Kayla, well, before we wrap up, anything else that you'd like to add?
Just that if you're planning to buy a home or remodel your home this year, I recommend starting to have those conversations with your loan officer now. We can't predict what changes are going to happen throughout the year, and it's going to be better to be prepared rather than plan last minute.
Absolutely. All right, Kayla, remind us, where are you guys located?
In Fargo, we're on 45th Street South in Osgood, just east of the Osgood Hornbachers. In West Fargo, we're on 13th Avenue and 9th Street East in the Pioneer Center. You can also find us at westernbanks.com.
Perfect. All right, Kayla. Well, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Stay warm today.
Thank you. You too.
All right. Well, coming up on today's show, Hockey Day North Dakota kicks off today. We're heading out live to a rink for a rundown of this weekend's events. Stick around. It's coming up right after this.